We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashbacks start. I'm standing there on a balcony in summer air. I see the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. I see you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Yeah, little did I know that you were Romeo and you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all there's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet cause we're dead if they knew. So close your eyes, escape this town for a little while. Cause you were Romeo, I was the scarlet letter. And my daddy said stay away from Juliet, but you were everything to me. I was begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all there's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Romeo, save me, they're trying to tell me how to feel. This love is difficult, but it's a real. Don't be afraid, we'll make it out of this mess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Oh, yeah, yeah. And I got tired of waiting, wondering if you were ever coming around. My faith in you is fading. When I met you on the outskirts of town, and I said, Romeo, save me, I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. Is it in my head? I don't know what to think. He knelt to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, marry me, Juliet, never have to be alone. I love you and that's all I really know. I talk to your dad, girl, pick out a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Cause we were both young when I first saw you. We did it.